We are back flying after 3 weeks. I had this bit, this thumb stick, the joystick part here on the goggles break on me, meaning that basically I couldn't switch or do any functions in the goggles. I was sort of stuck flying the Neo. So I sent them back to DJI. They were awesome and sent me new ones under warranty. The issue is it took 3 weeks from start to finish. But it was so annoying because I'd literally just got the Avata. Now I've been on the simulator a little bit, but I haven't flown properly for 3 weeks. So let's see how we go. I've got a new cool track to fly down. Let's see what happens. It's also the first time I would have flown it with these protectors on and the new gimbal guard. Okay, we're at 27 degrees. Let's have a look. I'm not sure where this path goes. Goes a long way. Feel like a car there. Let's go check that out in a second. Oh, I've missed this. Let's check out what was there. Was it like a car or something? Let's see. Pretty tricky to go slow. Still in manual. No, I'm not sure what it is. Let's continue on down this track and have a look, see what's down here. Oh, it's breaking up a little bit. Does look like a car, doesn't it? Whoops. Okay. I lost. Just checking I can still flip or roll. That was not a good roll, that first one. Oh, bit out of practice with these. Yeah, that's not good. I need a bigger space. Okay, we've had a quick fly around with the Avata 2, so now let's fly around with the Neo and see how that feels after 3 weeks off. Feels very small after holding the Avata. Are we connected? Device disconnected. Okay, we are connected. We are recording. Okay, now when we go into here, yeah, there we go. Whoa, 27 degrees. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so now we have Mr. Neo. Feels very different, obviously, after flying the Avata. Still super fun. Yeah. Under the trees. Just, yeah. The Neo is great fun. I mean, you don't need the Avata, especially when you're beginning. You know, you can do lots of learning. Yes, it's a bit underpowered. Yes, it doesn't fly like a little whoop or a you know, like a proper FPV. But in terms of plug and play fun, the Neo is really good. But it's good to be back. Whoa! I think I've lost all my tricks. Scared to do anything now. Attempt of a power loop. Whoa, wait, we got prop wash. And I just caught it. That's what you gotta be careful of. But it's awesome to be flying again. I've also got a little whoop coming tomorrow, an analog whoop. So that will be interesting. Something just to fly around the house, small spaces, should be a little bit quieter than the Neo. I decided to go for a whoop that's analog, just with the experience of having the goggles out of action in the last 3 weeks and not being able to fly, just to have something, another full system that I could play with. Yeah, excited to have a play with that. And then with the plan roughly is to get a whoop with the 04 air unit, meaning that I can fly with the DJI goggles, have the good quality. But I didn't want to jump in at that type of cost to start with, and I did fancy getting the option of having analog and being able to buy lots of cheap little whoops to play around with. But I think that should be the video for today. I'm back, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one.